Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this Sunday evening. I'm Nick Oresco. As the state continues to get all eligible groups vaccinated in Phase 1, many are still wondering why other high-risk groups like seniors were delayed until Phase 2. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli explains the current timeline of vaccine distribution and how local residents are reacting to this process.
We want to protect you and those around you as soon as possible.
There's been a feeling of frustration in Massachusetts over the state leaving out older adults in Phase 1 and those with health conditions who could be most at risk at developing severe COVID complications. Some are trying to stay positive about it.
I just would say hang in there, and eventually things will work out in everybody's favor.
In Connecticut, they've already begun vaccinating seniors 75 and older. Seeing neighboring states' different vaccine distribution strategies has made it confusing to follow.
I'm not as in tune with kind of how the rollout is supposed to be happening versus how it's happening. I know that there's a lot of logistics involved, but obviously we want to see those at risk to get it first.
Public health leaders are encouraged by the increased enthusiasm for the COVID vaccine and are asking for patience as the state continues to mass distribute it to more people. There are plans in place for Phase 2.
And at that point, there will be an infrastructure of multiple sites where seniors, where individuals with health conditions, with other members who are at risk of complications of COVID will be able to sign up for vaccination.
Dr. Rue said there are many potential Phase 2 vaccination sites that are being discussed right now, including the clinic at Mercy Medical Center. There are also plans to make Fenway Park and Gillette Stadium mass vaccination sites next month. Adults over 65, teachers, grocery workers, and other Phase 2 groups are expected to be able to receive the vaccine by mid-February. About 5% of Massachusetts residents have received at least the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine so far. And according to the CDC, just 1% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. Working for you, I'm Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.